Ladies and gentlemen, Stock Jock here. Up 8.99 in the first hour of trading. I'm currently sitting up 7.25, so I've given some back. That's okay. We'll get into why. Probably not though. Let's get into the trades from this morning, but if you are living under a rock, wonder where I've been, well, join the club. Everyone has. If you don't follow me on Twitch, where I've been every single day. I'm trying to do YouTube videos again. Trying! But link down below for Twitch. I've been there every single day. But let's get into the trades. The gates here, it dropped, bounce, and I was looking for the candle under candle here. This is a 1 minute play. I nailed the entry. However, I got chopped out, as in this move looks like it happened right away, and it was a nice little move here, right? Entry right here, dumpster fire. However, when it actually broke this level, it bounced right back up. So kind of one of my rules of thumb is if I get in and it doesn't do what I thought it was going to do, cut it loose. So it was actually turned out to be a small loss. I took options on this, but it broke this level, broke low a day, came down and shot right back up. So when I saw that, I was thinking to myself, this is going to be a reversal. Maybe we scream higher. This is sitting around the 150 area. Maybe it just goes higher and goes high a day and has one of those days. But as soon as I got out, then the move I was looking for actually happened. So I missed out.
To Perfetti Van Mel, Michael Delta Lima Zulu. The price of $1.35 billion. That's MDLZ, Mondelez.
Well, that sucks. Broke and then bounced hard. All right, so this next trade was on COSM. This one was a high flyer on Friday. Today, the pre-market, they came out and said they're doing an offering at the price of $11.50. So in the back of my mind, whenever there's a high flying stock that does an offering at a relatively high price compared to what it was, I mean, this thing was 30 cents and it went to $24. You do an offering at $11.50. That's pretty high from where it was. So a lot of times when I see that, and I think, yes, it might sell off, but it also has the potential to moon, especially if the offering isn't large in share size. So I was looking for a potential. This area was squeezing, and I was thinking, okay, you might get a breakout to the top side or bottom side, but if it showed maybe that it was going to go top side, I wanted to be part of that because it could get explosive. And it did make a big move later on, but like it went from $8.50 to $10.50, but when I entered it just didn't go. So I entered in on this 950 candle here. I honestly don't remember what I was really looking at that made me think it was going to go. Maybe it was this failed candle under candle right here. I don't remember seeing this failed candle over candle. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't have taken this trade. But I imagine that E-Trade just didn't load this candle properly for me. Shocker there. But nonetheless, I got in, didn't do what I thought I would do. I held for 40 seconds here. Got in at 974. So almost. Oh, I know what I was probably looking for. I was probably looking for this W break. So I was looking for this failed move here, come back to support, retest, and break this and then go. And it just did not break that guy. So I got in right there. That would be the 51 candle. I don't know what I was looking at. The more I look at this trade, this is just dumb. This would have been the candle I should have played if this existed. Nonetheless, nice $340 loss on this trade. So red on the day at this point.
That's Papa Lima Bravo Yankee.
There's a lot of volume. VKTX took off. No, that's my stop loss. Oh well. Done with that one. Off my list. All right, so this next trade was on VKTX. This happened at 10:18 a.m. Basically, you had this nice pierce of this resistance level. You had nice rising support at a low, a higher low, another higher low setting in. So it was pop or drop time on this trade. And when it looked like it was going to break this 676 level, I took it. I got filled at 680, 2,000 shares at 680. Broke high of day, which is a 688, and came right back down. As I was doing that, I sold at 685, and the rest of it came all the way back down to my entry point, which I sold the rest at break even. So $50 on this trade. I got filled at 80. Really? Here was on Tesla. Tesla was kind of at a pretty big make or break point here today on the daily chart. 150, big psychological level. It looked like out of the gates today we were going to have a nice runner, a nice little bounce day in it. Not so much. Went high a day and then came right back down. And let me just clean this up a little bit here and we'll see kind of what we were looking at. So we had this nice kind of diagonal support, which represented basically, if that broke, you're going low a day and beyond, probably breaking 150. So if you zoom in a little bit here, what I saw was this kind of pierce up, coming back down, candle under candle fail, candle over candle fail, and that gives the downward move momentum again. So entering in, I think this is the candle. What time did I take this? 10:31. Yeah, this candle is where I took it. So I was looking at this little nub break right here. This is the candle I'm playing. Let me zoom in a little bit. Right here. This is where I enter in. I took puts. You could take in shares if you wanted, whatever. I took puts, and that little level broke. I entered in, and at that point, I'm looking for a flush down through this guy and beyond. And that's exactly what we got. We got that diagonal break, which led to, I don't know what this line, oh, that's just 150, big psychological level. And we moved down, and I'm covering throughout this. I want to take profit because we could easily have come down to 150 and then just popped up. So I took 20 contracts at 431. I sold 10 of them at 430 for a $410 win. That was at 10:33, so that was this candle here. Then we started to come down a little bit more. 1050, it bounced up. I sold 5 more at 478. And then finally we got that move through 150 with volume, and I started covering the rest in this range down here. Covered 549, 550, 552. And that's where the majority of the wins, if not all of them, came from this morning. After that, I've only taken a couple trades, gave back a little bit of profit. Like I said, I'm only up $725, and I'm happy with that right now. And not sure if I'm going to trade anymore or not. We'll see. It's got to be super special of a setup. This market sucks right now. If you're struggling, welcome to the club. This market sucks ass. And I mean that with a lot of puckerage. So if you'd like to catch us, say hello, chat. By the way, we're live right now on Twitch. You should come hang out if you're seeing this. Or go live until whenever, until the market dries up. But chat's snooze fest right now. Chat, you going to say anything? What the hell's going on? Thank you, Arms McGee. Holy hell. This is your moment. You could be famous. Stop it. Yeah. So come hang out. Link for Twitch is down below. Monday through Friday. If you are sick of losing money by yourself, come join us. We'll lose money together. See you in the next video, whenever that is. Oof, that's a lot of volume there. Is this the push? Is this the push? As long as that ask stays under the 50-cent mark, I'm good. Okay, there we go. Cover in half. So higher. 57. Not a lot of ask getting smacked here. $0.03 from lows again. I'd like to see the ask stay at the 20-cent mark and under. Take a little bit more off. There it goes. 150. Oh, shit. Balls. Look at that volume. Oh my gosh. Go break 149. Oh. Okay. So where are we headed now? It's a big psychological level. 149.60, we're under that. 148.50, that's where we're at right now. This high. Start running out of levels pretty quick. All right, take it off. All right, first hour at the bag, $8.99.